Reduces and prevents bleeding and inflamed gums. Our products contain pure essential oils and herbs proven to quickly reduce oral bacteria and inflammation that often lead to halitosis and periodontal disease. Ideal for reducing harmful oral bacteria. Periodontal disease is a chronic condition that affects the gums in many adults. Our products help reduce the bacteria that often lead to gum disease. Use daily as part of your oral regimen. Helps eliminate bad breath. Having bad breath can be unpleasant and a cause for embarrassment. The essential oils and herbs don't just mask halitosis, they eliminate the odor causing bacteria under the gum line for long-lasting results. Ideal for anyone WHO prefers a fluoride-free natural toothpaste and mouthwash. Essentials as a SLS-free, complete toothpaste to use every day for your teeth and gums. Gums Tonic Mouth Rinse is alcohol-free and made with only natural ingredients. Use daily for long-term gum care. Contains no artificial colors, sweeteners, or preservatives. All natural, alcohol-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, made in USA, dentist recommended. Top reviews from the United States. It worked for me. I purchased tooth and gum tonic because my gums were swelling into my braces. I couldn't even see the wires anymore. I've used the toothpaste as well as the mouthwash for about 3 weeks note and the swelling has gone down tremendously. The bleeding gums have stopped and I can see my wires all the way across. I still have a ways to go, but the stuff has proven itself to me. I even used it in my Waterpik flosser.